Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Now let's cover the role of AI and its influence on average handle time in call centers. Let's begin with the pre-interaction stage, before an agent even picks up the call. Here, AI acts as the first line of efficiency. Through AI-powered self-service tools such as IVR menus, chatbots, and knowledge bots, routine queries like password resets or balance checks can be fully automated. This not only reduces call volumes but also ensures that agents are reserved for more complex, value-driven interactions. Next comes intent recognition and smart routing. Using natural language processing, AI can analyze a customer's request in real time, then seamlessly route them to the right agent or channel. This reduces misrouting, prevents repeat explanations, and sets the stage for faster, smoother resolutions. The overall impact. AI trims unnecessary handle time, guaranteeing that the right query reaches the right agent in the right way from the very start. Now, let's move into the live interaction stage when the customer is actively connected with an agent. This is where AI truly becomes a real-time partner. First, with real-time agent assist, AI provides next best responses, compliance prompts, and troubleshooting steps right on the agent's screen. This eliminates the wasted time of digging through manuals or searching multiple systems, keeping the interaction smooth and efficient. Next, sentiment and emotion detection allows AI to sense customer frustration, urgency, or satisfaction in real time. It guides the agent to adjust their tone, de-escalate conflicts quickly, and resolve issues faster. And finally, dynamic knowledge recommendations mean that AI instantly pulls up the most relevant FAQs, product guides, or solutions based on the customer's context. This shortens talk time, reduces hold time, and empowers agents to resolve issues on the very first contact. The result? Both talk time and hold time drop significantly, while first contact resolution rises, creating faster, better experiences for customers. Let's now look at the post-interaction stage, what happens after the customer call or chat ends. This is where AI steps in to take away much of the manual burden from agents. Through automated after-call work, AI generates call summaries, updates the CRM, and even assigns disposition codes. Tasks that used to take several minutes now shrink by 30 to 60%, giving agents back valuable time. AI also supports follow-up automation. Instead of the agent sending manual emails or SMS confirmations, AI can trigger these messages instantly, sharing resolutions, next steps, or status updates with the customer. The impact is clear: a significant drop in after-call work, smoother workflows, and agents becoming available for the next customer faster. This doesn't just reduce AHT, it also improves agent focus and consistency. Now let's turn to workforce management optimization, where AI plays a critical role in controlling average handle time. AI-powered forecasting and scheduling can predict demand patterns with far greater accuracy than traditional models. This means staffing is aligned with call volumes, preventing agents from being overloaded, where AHT rises, or underloaded, where efficiency drops. Beyond forecasting, AI helps with shrinkage prediction. By analyzing absenteeism trends, unplanned breaks, or seasonal surges, AI can anticipate disruptions and recommend corrective actions in advance. The result is stability. AHT performance becomes more consistent across different shifts and even during peak seasons, ensuring both agents and customers experience smoother, more predictable service. Finally, let's explore how AI strengthens analytics and continuous improvement in managing average handle time. Through root cause analysis, AI uncovers why AHT is rising, whether it's due to system delays, complex compliance steps, or inefficiencies at the agent level. This shifts decisions from guesswork to data-driven precision. AI also personalizes coaching. Instead of broad, generic training, it pinpoints agent-specific trends. For example, it may highlight that one agent consistently spends twice the average time on after-call work, signaling the need for focused coaching. And beyond analysis, AI drives process automation. Bots can take over repetitive back-end tasks like updating status fields or performing verification checks, cutting down handle time without sacrificing accuracy. The outcome is powerful, not just short-term gains, but sustainable reductions in AHT, delivered alongside higher service quality. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.